Fósa Rash, welcome back to this Parent Gaeilge weekly mini lesson. We're going to look at a phrase that you can use every day, ag baile with the kids, ag baile at home or savalia in the home. And also don't forget that our membership is open this week only. So you only have another 2 days, maybe 1.5 days, depending on time zone, to get into the membership. And in the membership, we do this, but we do a little bit more. And it's very, very easy for parents to learn all the Gaeilge that you need, but you get a say in what Gaeilge you want to learn as well. So Tasha just like what's everything that you need in one little cheap membership for every month. Price of like a cup of coffee and a muffin. Arin those anyway, Arilin on we go. So this one is how to tell them to eat up. Now when I say eat up in English, it sounds nicer in Irish, but basically you're telling them to finish. Like finish your breakfast, eat up your breakfast. So we're doing eat up, but we'll do specifically eat up your breakfast, which is suas do vrickfoster. Suas the vrickfoster. Suas the vrickfoster. Eat up your breakfast. Gentlemen spoken in British, so we'll just look at a little breakdown of that. So it is obviously the verb to eat, and brickfoster is breakfast. But after do, we have a shevu in Irish, so it's do vrickfoster, and there's a H in there. Now, if you want to change this to dinner or supper or tea or lunch, anything like that, you can go to changlin.ie and go to the grammar part. You're going to choose preposition plus noun. You'll choose do, you'll type in do in the drop down menu, and then you'll type in whatever you want. So it might be breakfast, alone, dinner, anything that you want. And it'll tell you here if there is a shevu. So after do, there is a shevu on B. However, I can tell you now that there's no shevu on L. L can't take shevu. So it'd just be isust alone, eat up your lunch. But it's féidir leat is sin na eáil an sin. You can check that there. So just Brandon was a reach, but just look again. Eat up your breakfast is suas the vrickfoster. Suas the vrickfoster. Now you don't need to add in anything here. You can just say suas, eat up. If you want to keep it shorter, just to practice first. So when they're eating today or tomorrow, just say suas, eat up. Say it as often as you can. Practice it right now until it feels comfortable. Úsáid say, use it, and it'll go into your long-term memory. Gur míle maith, thank you so much again. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.